Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we have an unmissable topic for anyone who wants to learn how to make money in the real estate market. I am Jormilson and I will guide you through this universe of opportunities alongside my microphone partner, Rosemary.
Perfect, Jormilson. If you've always dreamed of making your money work for you and turning real estate into a source of income, this episode is for you. We will share strategies that work for both those just starting out and those who already have some experience in the sector. So, get ready and grab a pen and paper because today the content is full of practical tips.
To start, let's talk about the importance of knowing the real estate market before anything else. There is no point in buying properties out there without understanding the context in which you are inserted. Each city has its peculiarities, right, Mayor?
Exactly. It is not possible to treat the real estate market in Belo Horizonte in the same way as São Paulo, for example. Factors such as infrastructure, growth in regions, and even the most sought-after types of properties make a huge difference. Therefore, the first tip is, study the market in your city or the region where you want to invest. And when I say study, I mean being aware of trends and new opportunities, such as expanding areas or places that are receiving large investments.
That's it. And a valuable tip for those just starting out is to follow specialized news sites and talk to local brokers. The real estate market has many cycles and, if you know how to anticipate, the chances of success are much greater.
Let's now get into one of the most anticipated parts, the strategies for making money with real estate. And I'm going to start by talking about one of the best known, buying and selling real estate. Who has never heard of someone who bought it cheap and sold it for much more?
Classic, right? But the secret here is knowing how to identify these opportunities. For example, buying properties in regions that are developing can generate incredible appreciation in the future. Sometimes, a simple change in the neighborhood, such as the construction of a shopping mall or a subway station, can greatly increase the value of properties.
That's right. And in addition to focusing on appreciation, another powerful strategy is to buy properties that need renovation. You buy at a more affordable price, make improvements that add value, and then sell for a much higher price. This requires good planning, of course, but the payoff can be impressive.
For sure. And let's remember that in this case you need to have a good network of professionals, such as trusted architects and bricklayers, to ensure that the renovation is within budget and on time.
Now, for those looking for a more predictable income, another excellent strategy is investing in rental properties. Renting a property can generate a steady stream of income. And the best part, you can invest in both residential and commercial properties. What is your view on this, Jormilson?
Look, I'm a big fan of rental properties. They provide a monthly income and depending on the location, demand is always high. And if you invest in an area where demand is high, such as close to universities, commercial areas, or even tourist regions, your chances of success are even greater.
Tedli. Em dites worth remembering that there are different types of lease. Em addition to traditional rentals, you can also rent properties on a seasonal basis, which in some cases can yield more than conventional rentals. It all depends on the profile of the property and the regionalismo.
And for those who do not yet have the capital to invest in real estate directly, but want to make money from the sector, a great option is to become a real estate agent or appraiser. The brokerage profession offers excellent commissions and, if you know where the good opportunities are, you can turn each sale into a stepping stone towards your financial independence.
Certainly, being a real estate agent is an excellent alternative for those who want to enter the sector without a large initial investment. However, it is important to remember that to practice this profession, it is mandatory to have a CRCI card, which is registration with the Regional Council of Real Estate Brokers. Without this license, you cannot legally act as an intermediary in the purchase, sale, or rental of properties. Furthermore, building a good network of contacts and staying up to date with the market are essential factors in ensuring good commissions and closing big deals.
Excellent point, Mayor. The CRCI portfolio is a fundamental step for anyone who wants to work as a broker. The property appraiser, in addition to also requiring this license, needs specific specialization. The appraiser plays a crucial role in the market, determining the fair value of a property, which is essential for negotiations, financing, and even legal proceedings.
Exactly. And the best thing is that both brokers and appraisers have great earning potential. The broker can earn good commissions per transaction, while the appraiser can charge per report issued, offering their services to clients such as banks, companies, and even investors who need to know if they are getting a good deal.
Perfect. Therefore, it is essential to have a good financial reserve so as not to depend exclusively on the sale or rental of a single property. And of course, diversifying your investments is always a good idea. If you know how to balance your finances well and be prepared for possible fluctuations, you will always be one step ahead.
Now, one thing we can't help but talk about is financial planning and risk management. Even though the real estate market is traditionally safe, it is not without risks. Economic crises, changes in financing laws, all of this can impact your investments.
We have reached the end of another episode full of tips for you who want to make money with real estate. We hope you've had a lot of fun and that today's strategies help you take the next steps with more confidence.
And look, the secret is in putting all of this into practice. The real estate market is full of opportunities, but success depends on planning, knowledge, and of course, acting at the right time. Don't forget to follow our podcast and stay up to date with more content like this. See you in the next episode.
That's it, folks. Until next time.
See you later. Bye.